Sanur, Afra and Naufin. From different countries like to visit our country. Today, visitors from America, Japan, China, Australia, England and Africa are coming to our great India. I am waiting for them. They are coming. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. Please take your seat. How was your journey? You all had came from so long. Would you please like to say something about your country? Sure. Would you please, ma'am?
Hi, good evening everybody. I am from USA. Our country USA is the world's richest and most powerful country. It's the third largest continent in the world. New York City is the biggest city in the USA. Panama Canal connects Atlantic and Arctic Ocean. Our country is surrounded by Atlantic, Arctic and Pacific Oceans on three sides. In our coastal region, Pacific Ocean, tuna and salmon fish are caught. Languages spoken in our country are English, Spanish and French. The currency of our country is dollar. The group of islands called West Indies forms a part of our continent. Kennedy Airport in New York is the busiest international airport in the world. America is an enormous country made up of 50 states. There are mountains, deserts, forests, wetlands and vast plains in the USA. I am proud of my country. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, would you please say something about your country?
Hi, hello, I'm from Japan. In our country, four principal islands, Hokkaido, Honshu, Honshu, and Shikoku, and more than 3,000 small ones of the eastern streak of Japan. North Japan is full of Honshu, the largest island, and enjoy high living standards. Our country's booming economy is a global phenomenon, and its future lies in the new technology for the 21st century. Japan is a fascinating mixture of old and new. It worked very hard and have made Japan very healthy. On special occasions, women and girls wear kimono or richly embroidered silk dress and tied with a sash, and Tokyo is the capital city of our country. There are many large forests in the Japan. Japan tour is famous for the spring blossom planted throughout the country. There are many wild animals can be found in the Japan areas. Animals include bears, badgers, otter, mink, and foxes. I love my Japan very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, would you please say something about your country?
Hi, how are you? I'm from China. China is Asia's largest country and has more people than any other country in the world. The capital city is Beijing. Han is the most widely spoken language of China, several dozen languages. Many boats and ships carry people and goods on China's major rivers, the Huanghe, Yangtze, and Zi. Our country also has many railroads and three of the most important railroads. Many of these provide useful substances. The Tamti and the camphor tea produce valuable oil. The people around the world enjoy eating Chinese food dishes include delicious such as steamed chicken feet, honeydew legs. You may think of pasta as an Italian dish, but actually it was created in China. Rice is one of the most important crops grown in our country. I love my country very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, would you please say something about your country?
Hello, I'm from Australia. Our country was discovered by James Cook, an English sailor in 1770s. Australia is an island continent. It is surrounded by Indian and Pacific Oceans. Australia is the world's smallest continent. It is the world's sixth largest country. Australia consists of 6 states and 2 territories. Canberra is our capital city. Kangaroo is the national symbol of our country. It has a strong mining industry, is the major exporter of coal, iron ore, bauxite, lead, gold, copper and diamonds. Half of all marsupials, such as koala and kangaroo, live only in Australia. Along with the platypus and echidna, the world's only egg-laying mammals. English is the official language of our country. Kookaburra is a famous bird. Larvae is beautiful bird and it can imitate voices. Wheat is the chief food crop of our country. A large quantity of wheat is exported. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the tourist attractions of Australia. Murray is the longest and perennial river of Australia. Australia is great. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, would you please say something about your country?
Hi, hello. I am from England. England, the birthplace of English, takes up most of Ireland, Great Britain. Capital city is London. England has produced many famous writers he has chosen. They include such poets as Jane Austen and Percy Bysshe Shelley, such novelists as Jane Austen and Charles Dickens. England is also known for its theatre. In our country, Oxford and Cambridge are the 2 of the oldest universities in the world. The country contribution to classical and folk music as well as to rock and roll also important. Our people also invented 2 of the world's most popular sports, football and cricket. Our main language is English. Currency is pound sterling. Major religions are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christians and Jews. England is great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, would you please say something about your country?
Hi, I'm from Africa. Africa is what? Some big continent, famous for its amazing wildlife. There are about 50 countries in Africa. Most African people are farmers in little towns. Many people have moved into cities. Many Africans have to walk for hours every day to fetch clean water. Diseases such as malaria are common. The biggest desert in the world is Sahara. 9 hours long river. I love my country very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Our India is the world's 7th largest and 2nd most populated country. It is surrounded by water on 3 sides and land on 1 side. So our country is called Peninsula. In the east, the Bay of Bengal, and in the west, the Arabian Ocean, and in the south, the Indian Ocean. Our India has variety in physical features such as coast, river plain, plateau, desert, mountain and island. Each division has specific climatic conditions. New Delhi is the capital city of our country. Our India is rich in culture and tradition. There are many attractive tourist places in our country. Taj Mahal in Agra, it is the most beautiful sight in the world. Red Fort Jama Masjid in Delhi, Charminar in Hyderabad. There are many bird sanctuary and national park in our country. I am proud of my country. Let's come with me. I will show attractive places of our great India. This is Taj Mahal and this is Jama Masjid.